Hello, hi everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of In-Home Tutoring Honolulu.com. I'm a dual certified teacher and in-home tutor specializing in students with ADHD because I have ADHD. And I wanted to let you know why I do this. And I can explain this in one word. Aha! I know it's probably not a word, but and let me explain that. I firmly believe that the best way I can teach anyone is to give them just enough information to be able to figure out something out on their own. Okay, like say my one of my tutoring students, he's 14 years old. I had put him on a multiplication table. He has ADHD and dyslexia, so it might be the first time he'd seen a multiplication table. But I told him, I said, okay, our enhanced ability is our ability to see patterns. So don't just look at all these numbers, look for the patterns. And he got so excited when he found his first pattern. And he was like, I found another pattern. And, it was really something. And it's that look on my student's face. That's why I tutor. That's why I do this. That's why I that's why I do what I do. But when I see my students go, ah, I did my job. I mean, it's that look. I don't know if everyone's going to understand what I'm talking about, but yeah, that's why I do what I do. That's why I in-home tutor covering all of Oahu, and I can even help people remotely. And yeah, I do charge a fee. Obviously, my landlady insists that I pay rent, but my real payment is that look right there. So just wanted to share, and that's it. So God bless you and have a great rest of the day.